What are you doing, Scotty?
You guys ready?
Spectacular.
So,
Do that side
let's
first.
see this side.
That's the original.
And as you can tell, it's
Coming apart.
literally, can you see that on the camera? I mean, I'm just touching it and it's falling apart.
There we go.
It's literally just falling apart. So I got some vacuuming and stuff to do, clean everything up.
That side's coming apart.
Yeah, this side's next. So everybody ready? Hold on.
3.
Ooh.
Done.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, Scotty.
Thank you, thank you.
That's a lot of work and a lot of time, but
Interior work.
a lot of time.
Yeah, well,
Means you
interior
pay
work is the
attention.
absolute nightmare. And unfortunately, I'm excessively anal retentive when it comes to having things perfect.
You know what?
Right?
Let's not talk about what he does in his free time.
So, the importance of this car means the world to me. The client is an amazing client.
That's beautiful work, dude. Like that. That's why it takes so long. It takes time to do stuff right.
Yep.
Oh, I mean, you have lots of video of doing it and
Now-
what it took.
Sure, go ahead.
Question.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. This is
Yeah.
original still.
Yep. Still
You might
original.
want to talk to the client because that's the original stuff that is.
Yep.
And they're both getting that way. Maybe he wants you to pull these real fast. and
Possible.
wrap
Well,
them-
those are going to be a lot harder to do
Well.
because the seatbelt assemblies have to come out, which means I have to disassemble everything up here, disassemble everything down there.
Oh yeah, you have to slide the whole
Yep,
shebang out.
it's
Yeah.
an absolute nightmare. So this is going to be one of those. If it ain't that broke,
Don't fix
I
it.
ain't touching it.
But if he requests it,
Then I'll do it.
make
That's
sure
a different
it's
story.
on video.
Oh, yeah,
Make
no.
sure you get both. Show that. But Scotty, show him where it's. Yeah.
Let's see it.
Yeah, and it's just the more you look at it, the worse it's gonna get.
Yeah.
So, all right. So you're gonna do the other side there, Scotty.
Yep.
Do your
I'll start with the
absolute-
centerpiece first.
like last time.
Yep. And then just slowly disassemble, bag, tag, mark everything. I gotta make sure all the old bags are gone, all the old stuff is gone and out of the way so there's no confusion.
And the templates are all in the trunk.
Yep, all the templates for the old are put aside. So now I'll disassemble this one, get my template, get it set, ready to go, and then I'll do this one and get it taken care of. It's coming out nice. I'm very, very proud of myself.
That looks amazing.
To me, the most important thing is you can't see that I was in there. That's
No.
all my concern is.
May I dare say that it probably looks better than original from
I
day one?
I don't know about all that.
Well,
I mean, I'm
I
not
think
that
it's-
good.
I think it's definitely close. And the whole car looks great, Bill.
Oh God, I love this car. It's absolutely beautiful.
I love these. I love these.
Yeah. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna get back to work.
Yeah, you got a lot to do.
Yep. So I bid you a fond farewell.